Unlock the power of artificial intelligence with Sleon AI Consulting Services, where innovation meets industry expertise. Start with a clear vision. Our AI strategy and roadmap development guides you in crafting a tailored AI plan, ensuring a successful journey. Transform your data into insights. With our expert data analysis and predictive modeling, we help you make informed decisions that drive growth. Streamline your operations. Our automation and process optimization services enhance efficiency, saving you time and resources. Integrate with ease. We ensure smooth AI integration and deployment, making your transition seamless and scalable. Empower your team. Our training and education programs equip your workforce with the skills to leverage AI effectively. Sleon AI, your partner in achieving a smarter, more efficient future.